Flashing Ask Profit, a show that gets all your stock-related queries answered. Viewers who are just tuning in, you can either call us or WhatsApp us on the numbers that are flashing on your screen right now. On this side of the show,
we help you today, specifically on Dixon Tech, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What would you like to know?
See, I bought it 32 shares at the price of 15,712.
Okay.
So I just want to know, I have to hold it or is just sell it?
Okay, and you have a short-term time frame, is that right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So we've gotten a fundamental view on the EMS space, and Saurabh has pointed out that valuations are a little stretched. Ajit, on the charts, she's in the green. Should she book out right now or wait for further upside?
Yeah, good morning, Alex.
Good morning,
Mahima. So, Dixon Tech has been a steady performer, and in fact, if you see from the last 2-3 months, we are seeing a gradual recovery. She's sitting on decent profits. The stock is almost on the verge of retesting its previous swing high. We have a strong resistance around 17,000 mark. Since our view is short term, I would recommend her to book profit and wait for a decisive close above 17,000 to re-enter or a dip towards 16,000 area. So yes, it's time that she should book some profit current levels and wait for a dip or a breakout.
Okay, so that's with regards to where Dixon Tech stands. The next question is from Sai Karthik, who's writing us all the way from Dallas, Texas. Interesting.
He's up late.
Yeah, he's up late for sure. So his question is basically on Geo Finance and wants to know if he can take up 3,000 to 4,000 odd shares for the next 6 odd months. Ajit, I'll come to you on this one. What are the charts indicating for Geo Finance?
So Mahima, it's been almost very strong recovery in last 3 months. We are very close to the 52-week high, and still means the stock is hovering around the short-term averages. Since the view is to buy in quantity and hold it for 3 to 6 months, he should rather accumulate, not to buy at one go. So in this range, let's say 290 to 310 is the area where he should accumulate. And for the entire position, his stop should be at 260 since it's a high beta counter. And gradually, 345 to 360 is something that he can maintain as a position target.
Okay, so that's the view on Geo Financial Services. We've got a couple of questions coming through on HDB Financial, which, as you all know, is the recent listing. It got split from HDFC Bank. It was issued at a price of 740 rupees per share. And we've got Likita as well as Jerry, or rather PNB Housing, that he's bought at levels of 1,038 for a period of 1 year. Is it advisable to add more? And if yes, at what price should he do so? So the question is to you, Ajit, on the technicals. What should he do with this? He's bought at levels of 1,038.
So Alex, it's currently quoting closer to its buying price, and PNB Housing is among the top performing name within the housing finance basket of late. In fact, if you see that most of the names, they are struggling, either trading down or trading in a very tight range. On the other hand, we have seen a very sharp recovery, and it's currently hovering in a very tight range here after this recent rebound. Fresh buying, I would recommend him to wait and let this stock surpass 1150 mark, because that's the area basically where we have multiple resistances. Once we surpass this level, then we might see a next leg of the up move, which could help the stock to inch toward 1300, 1400 zone. At the same time, 950 is important to hold. So since the view is short to medium term, he can continue to maintain his position with 950 as a closing stop loss.
Got it. All right. So that's a comprehensive view on PNB Housing for you. We've got another question from the NBFC space, and Ranganathan is calling us from Bengaluru. Very good morning, Ranganathan. How can we help you today?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
Okay, I am bought Punawala Pin Park, Semi car for 445 rupees.
Right.
But short term, what is target price?
Okay. I got your question. The stock is up 7% in trade today, and there are news triggers on this. But let me go to Ajit on the short-term price trends that he sees. Does that momentum continue, and where would you place the stop loss for this particular trade?
So Alex, off late we are seeing extreme volatility in this stock, means from 480 to 410 and then again to 445. So we are very close to the short-term averages. So let's say we reclaim this 445, 446 area decisively on the closing basis today. then probably we can see the further recovery in the stock, which could help the stock to inch toward 475, 480 area. So as of now, the kind of volumes, price action that we are seeing, definitely he should stay put. Since the view is short term and it's a highly volatile counter, 420 is the area basically on the closing basis where he should maintain as a stop loss. And on the higher side, in fact, he can wait for much higher levels once it surpasses 480 area.
Okay, so hold is the view on Poonawalla Fincorp that Ajit has. The next question is shares at an average price of 1197 and wants to know from a shorter term outlook, what's the maximum level it can touch? Ajit, he's not defined short term for me, but let's say from a 6 months perspective, what are the charts indicating?
So Mahima is almost V-shaped rebound, means from 950 to 1300 levels. We are very close to that mark. And in the past two instances, from last almost 3 years, the stock failed to cross this hurdle around 1350, 1370 area. If the view is short term, I would definitely suggest to book at least partial profit around that zone, around 1340, 1350. And let this stock sustain above that mark for the next recovery of move, which could help the stock to reclaim its record highs close to around 1700 mark. So as of now, he can stay put with a trading stop loss of let's say 1210, and around 1350 he can book at least partial profit.
Ram from Pune is writing in and asking about Gujarat Ambuja exports. Like Finalex, you had quite a few bumper results that came through in the first quarter. It is time now for the rapid fire segment, which, as you know, is where we throw as many questions at our experts over the course of 2 minutes. The first one is on Datamatics, and this is Ram Rao from Pune. He's asking whether to hold for a 6 to 8 month time frame. His buy price is 53.8 rupees. Ajit? Yeah, no, this can't be right. 600 rupees. 600 rupees. 600 rupees. Apologies.
Right. So still, Alex, it's a fresh breakout. Stock is up, so definitely hold 840 closing basis stop loss and keep on trading stop loss on rise.
Okay, Lodha Developers is the next counter. Seema from Jodhpur is asking this question. Wants to have
got a question on SBI cards, bought at levels of 935, looking to hold or sell for a period of 3 months. Ajit?
SBI cards hold 820 stop loss, 920, 940 target area.
Okay, Tilak Nagar is the next counter. Sriram from Visakhapatnam wants to know if this is the right time to buy. Your view on the charts, Ajit?
Looks overbought. Wait for consolidation. Okay. And the next one is on Deepak Nitrite. We've got a question saying that they bought at levels of 2,961 rupees and holding at no profit, no loss. So should you wait for 2 months? Ajit?
Exit.
Okay, JW
Gujarat Pipavav right now. Ajit, on the charts?
Gujarat Pipavav, yes, you can buy 150 on the basis, closing basis stop loss, 175, 180 target.
Okay, very quickly, Suzlon for a period of 1 year, would you buy, Ajit?
Yes, buy.
Okay. All right, that brings us to the end of the rapid fire segment. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for taking the time, for answering all the questions you did today. And that brings us to the end of Ask Profit from Mahima and myself and the team that put the show together. Thank you so much for watching. Up next is Know Your Company. This is NDTV Profit.